Hello everyone. Today we shall solve exercise 10.3 question number 4. The area of a rectangular garden is 50 meter long is 300 square meter. Find the width of the garden. Let us take suppose this is a rectangular garden. This is a rectangular garden, right? Here the length is given, that is 50 meter. This is 50 meter. You have to find the breadth, right? And area is also given, right? How to solve this problem? Let us solve this problem. Area of the rectangular garden, area area of the rectangular garden, area of the rectangular garden is equal to 300 square meter. 300 square meter. And length of the garden, length of the garden is equal to 50 meter. 50 meter. We have to find the width of the garden, right? But we know that length into breadth of a rectangle, that is length into breadth of a rectangle gives us the area of the rectangle, area, right? That means let us take the breadth of the garden be b. Let us take the breadth of the garden be b. Therefore length is 50 meter, that is 50, length is 50, and let us take breadth as b. So 50 into b, and what is the area? It is 300 square meter. Area is 300. Therefore we are getting b is equal to 300 by 50, right? 0 0 will cut, and 5 6 are 30, 6, that is 6 meter. Therefore the width of the garden is 6 meter. Therefore breadth means width. Therefore width of the garden is equal to 6 meter. This is the solution of question number 4. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.